Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video I am going to show you how to add a subscript or superscript in Microsoft Word. So these are some of the example of subscript and this is example of superscript, right? So there are two ways to add subscript and superscript. First is by a keyboard shortcut and second way is by using a GUI. So first I'll show you the GUI way. So select the text that you want to add as a subscript and then in the Home tab in this font section you will find this section. This button is for creating a subscript, right? So just click on this button and the text selected will get automatically converted into a subscript, right? But you can use the keyboard shortcut for this also, and the keyboard shortcut to do subscript is Ctrl equal to. So press Ctrl and equal to together and you have a subscript. Similarly, for superscript, select the text that you want to make as a superscript, and in the Home tab and in font section you will have a button for superscript. Just click on it and you get a superscript. But it is always easier to know a keyboard shortcut for it so that you don't have to switch between keyboard and mouse. So the shortcut for superscript is Ctrl Shift and equal to. So you have to press Ctrl Shift and then equal to together to get a superscript. These are the two ways by which you can create a subscript and superscript in Microsoft Word. Or if it's writing a scientific report where you have a lot of equations, you will come across subscript and superscript quite often, right? So there is a special shortcut for subscript and superscript in Microsoft Word in the equation tab. So there is a special shortcut for typing subscript and superscript when you are inside an equation editor, right? To demonstrate that, let us go inside an equation editor. So the shortcut for getting an equation editor is Alt equal to. So you get an equation editor, and now suppose you want to type area and circle in subscript, right? So just type area, area, and type underscore. Underscore is for getting subscript. So anything that is following underscore till the empty space will be created as a subscript in equation editor, right? CIRCLE, and I'll press space. The moment I press space, the text which is after underscore will be automatically converted into a subscript, right? Similarly, for superscript, what you have to do is instead of underscore you have to write a caret symbol or a raised to symbol. The text that is following a caret symbol will get automatically converted into a superscript after a space, right? So here if I press space, you can see that the initial which was after a caret symbol has automatically get converted into a superscript. So that's all in this video, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please press the like button